With correct planning and preparation work, most Triguard CS300 systems can be upgraded to a trusted process safety system in just a few hours. First, the CS300 processes are taken offline and powered down. The processes are removed and replaced with the trusted bridge modules. Next, the trusted processor, expander interface, and communications modules are installed. Unused slots get blanking covers to prevent dust and dirt from getting into the chassis. The CS300 chassis number is changed with the address links on the rear, and the interface card and cable are locked in place. The bridge modules are brought online, and the application logic is downloaded to the trusted processor. Once the application logic has finished downloading, the trusted processor will start to run. The Triguard CS300 I/O modules are now controlled by the trusted processor. Your upgrade is complete, and you can start using the trusted modern graphical interfaces that are available for system diagnostics and monitoring. For more information on how a trusted process safety system upgrade could benefit your business, contact your local Rockwell Automation sales representative.